Disclaimer. Everything you see is AI generated. Do not attempt to recreate anything you see.
What is good with y'all YouTube? What is good with y'all YouTube? Welcome back to another banger.
Nah, I'm just kidding. But welcome back to another video, y'all. How we doing? I'm on my way to the gas station. Every video, we headed to the gas station, y'all. Been on E for like 6 days. I ain't even gonna hold you. I'm holding you. I just got on E. I'm about to give y'all a POV vid because I feel like I haven't gave y'all a POV vid for real. Before we start the video, y'all already know we head to the gas station. I hope y'all having a good little, you know what I'm saying, good little day or whatever, night, whenever you're watching this. But subscribe for me, man. That's all I'm gonna say. That's all I gotta say. Subscribe. Y'all gonna see the video. If y'all enjoy the video, y'all enjoy the POV with the Catalyst 63. It's a 63S. The Catalyst down pipes. Alright, y'all, we was right about done filling up. Y'all see these prices? Man, the POVs are getting pricey, y'all. So make sure y'all sub, make sure y'all share. Donald Trump, fix your stuff, man.
I need some high tech, bring me 8 ounces.
Alright, that's about every drop. Come here, man. Oh, man. Y'all put it back in right, though. Alright, so y'all, like I said, I'm about to give y'all the POV for real. So let's shut the thing up. Ooh, Catalyst, y'all. Watch the video, y'all. Catalyst. Alright, then, y'all, we're gonna get this POV started already. This thing's a Sport Plus. Y'all, let me know what y'all think about the downpipes for real, though. Like, give me y'all. I want to know y'all's feedback because I'm trying to see what to do next. I hear that thing sound like a monster. God damn. Terrorizing the city, y'all. God damn. God damn, y'all. The little snatchback pull gives y'all. Damn. That little snatchback is dangerous. Breaking my neck. Hell no, chat. We just got the Urus on us. We just got the Urus on us. What is Urus on though? Wide body kit? Wide body with the Lambo though?
What up, baby? What up, Mike?
Yeah, baby, you did this one.
Nowadays, when I go by jury, I think diamond eye me running to a matter if you from the street or my cousin out in college. Still fucking with the homies, my bitch granny, she get drink. They tell your mama find your mama. Tight to the Simmons Clark forever with con. Fat nigga better touch more ass than at the Kabox. Went to war with this nigga, I got better response. Pussy stay so bad I used to pressure wash. I spilled the drink on the.
Now we just gonna do that thing 100 more times. Cybertruck. We're gonna bully the Cybertruck. Oh shit. Y'all seen his wheelies? Then he on the ground with it. He's on the ground with it. Alright, y'all. We got cool little pops. all that. Quick little city view of everything. I just pulled over quick. Give y'all a quick little 360 walk around. Give y'all a quick little walk around the big 63. I haven't give y'all a walk around in a cool minute. So, oh my God. I seen this chat. Look at my license plate, y'all. The whole phantom plate just came off. A quick little walk around of the 63. It's looking clean, y'all. It's actually mad dirty. I haven't washed in a while, but I gotta go to the car wash. But if y'all haven't seen the video where we installed my car on fire with the diffuser, y'all, go and watch that. Like, look at it. Stand back here, it looks crazy, y'all. It looks way much more aggressive and everything. If y'all haven't seen the videos where I put my whole diffuser on, where I put the catalyst downpipes on, go and watch all that first, y'all.